This is a 2008 Chevy Tahoe. Today we'll be replacing the O2 sensors, so let's go ahead and lift her up and see what we're working with. Once we lift up the Tahoe, you can find the O2 sensor at the top, right next to the exhaust manifold. There's one here, and one on the other end right there. First thing you're going to want to do is unplug it from the wire harness. So if you follow the one on the left side, you'll see it right there with the green tab. And then you can follow this one, it'll be on the other side of the chassis. This one right here, the one further up to the front. Not that one is the lower one. So we're going to unplug those. And using a O2 sensor wrench, we're going to remove them, which is around like a 22mm wrench. So we'll remove both sides and then we'll go from there. So in order to unplug the harness, you will need to push this tab down. Black tab right underneath it to help release this here. Once you do that, you go ahead and pull this green tab out. I'm just going to push it up since I'm in one hand. Pull that tab out, I'm going to lift this up and unplug it. So once we've unplugged the sensor, we use our special wrench, all in place. We're going to do the same with the other side and install some new ones. So we have our new O2 sensor here. What we're going to do is add this anti-seizing compound to the thread, just around a little bit around it, and then install it into the exhaust. Once you put the compound onto the thread, tighten it in, hand tighten, and plug it in place. First, it goes in this direction. Plug it in as so. So here a clip. There you go. And this green tab will go right on top. As so. Clicks into place. You're going to slide it onto that little bracket to your click. There you are. We'll do the same with the other side. And then check to see if it works. So when it comes to something like this, there's not really a way to clear that check engine light or check to make sure it works out of the computer. There's a few different types of computers out there. This is just one of the ones we have, one of our basic ones. So we're going to check to see if it works. So we're going to do engine control module, and then we're going to do data display, and then we'll do O2S data, just to make sure it's working. And as you see here, the bank sensors are showing values. Therefore everything works. So now we'll go back again, diagnostic trouble codes, which is the initial issue we had at the beginning. That's why we replaced those O2 sensors. So now we'll go back, we'll actually clear this code out, clear DTC, to get that check engine light to go away. So yeah, we do want to clear that. As you can see, the check engine light is no longer there. So no more codes. Now let's just click it again to see if any codes come up. Everything's good. And as you can see, there are no codes. Then let's just go ahead and just check again to make sure That way everything is working appropriately. Alright, all of our values are there. So everything seems good. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and more videos to come weekly.